Hey there, Mike. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. Spoke to you earlier today. I'm going to show you in this video how we can beat your competitors online and rank your business to bring more traffic. So start off, you might be wondering why I'm even doing this video, what's in it for me kind of thing. Basically, I found that, providing value to business owners right away and just giving you a chance to realize, you know, I know what I'm doing kind of thing. And just because I find that a lot of business owners, they may hesitate to work with a marketer simply because you don't always know who's an expert and who isn't, right? So I'm going to show you in this video a couple things we can work on. So here's your website. Obviously we can work on getting you a new build down the road. But what I'm going to talk to you today, start off is with search engine optimization, SEO. So when someone looks up plastering Orange County, right? You got right here, you have the Google Map Pack, okay? And I'll talk to you more about that in a sec. And then you have your top organic competitors. So we actually are looking at, Yelp.com, Blue Book. I'm going to go ahead and show you these guys, Heart Plastering Inc. Okay, so here's their website, and one of the reasons they're ranking is due to the amount of content they have on their page. So they have relevant keywords that are actually on their page, things that are about stucco, okay, right there. For example, not just always the keyword, but also, little things like meta tags or meta descriptions, alt texts. So, for example, you go right here, I'll show you what an alt text is. So this picture is actually saved as, let's see, so RE Stucco. Okay, so not a crazy keyword. It's not stucco contractors, Orange County, but it is relevant. Okay, it is stucco, technically. And this is a very low hanging fruit niche. Meaning it could rank fairly quickly due to not many people actually using proper SEO. They're most likely ranking due to, obviously they have a pretty nice website, so it's probably the speed of the website. There's all kinds of factors, but when you focus down onto the on-site SEO and the off-site and the content, you have all those three things down. I mean, you'll be golden and on your way to ranking in no time. So I'll go ahead and show you. This is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. So again, here's Heart Plastering, top competitors. It goes ahead and shows you. So they have about 21 people on their site a month. Now this is a very average number. To be honest, usually it's a little bit more. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Look, so you can see the organic keywords that they have, and they're being found on Google for it. Google is finding them as a relevant website to stucco contractor Orange County, stucco contractors. So look, stucco 20 searches a month, 20, another one 20, right? So it doesn't seem like that much, it doesn't seem very sexy. But trust me, it all adds up. I mean, I actually, I'll go ahead and show you this right now. I actually have a stucco lead gen site myself. It's called Stucco Repair Orange County. Love to talk to you more about that. It's actually on its way to ranking. On the second page right now. Ran it up about maybe a month or maybe two ago now. But anyways, yeah, this is it. So, people go ahead and fill out their info. I've been working with a guy, actually. I ran some Google ads on it for a month, but, he paid me a retainer fee, and it just didn't work out based on he didn't necessarily have the crew to take it on, and it was just a bit of a mess. But anyways, aside from that, so yeah, and I noticed you guys are more it looks like you guys kind of do like commercial projects. I looked at your portfolio. So here's an example. When you look up commercial stucco Orange County, I am actually ranking on the top for that now. So see, there's my site. So it'll be ranking for all the other stucco stuff pretty soon too, and we could maybe arrange something with the leads from that. But anyways, back to that. I'm going to go ahead and talk to you. So we talked about content. We need keywords. We need saved meta tags, meta description, and then I'm going to go into something called backlinks. So what backlinks are, so this is actually, or referring domains, easier to explain, kind of the same thing. But so Amador Plastering, they're another company that they show up higher for Stucco. But here, I'll go ahead and just show you. Stucco contract, Orange County. See, maybe they weren't. They're up there for something. Cause go ahead and see there. I mean, 12. It doesn't look too sexy, like I said. But I mean, as I'm sure you know, I mean, paying some sort of marketing fee, it's all going to pay for itself. I mean, you book one job, and they're much bigger margins. But you can also take a look at the keywords. No, we already talked about that. The referring domains. So how this works is these are websites that have Amador Plastering's link on their website. They're telling Google that they're the best plastering company for Orange County. Okay. Trying to go ahead and show you. You can actually see the links that they have on other websites. So here's what you would do is you could hypothetically go in here and copy every link that they have, right? And then eventually you'll end up ranking. But obviously, I have access to all kinds of blogs and different alt texts we can get, backlinks and general citations, everything. So somewhere here it's got their website name. Don't want to waste your time too much on that, but I think you might get the point. So these are websites, again, that are telling Google that Amador Plastering is relevant to plastering in Orange County, or Stucco, okay? And here's these guys as well. So as you can see, they got some content, okay? They got a decent amount, and it's actually not too much. See, this is a very low-hanging fruit. We can get going. Nobody's really doing the right things here. They're simply ranking due to time and a little bit of content. I don't even know. I mean, I do know, but yeah. This is another tool I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about. So this isn't here, let me give you an example. So plastering Orange County, this is the Google Map Pack, okay? So how we rank here and show up in the top 3 is based on a few things. Citations are one. You can explain a citation by anywhere that it has, business name, address, and phone number. So think like directories, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, those kind of things. I have access to, all kinds of citations we can get going for what's considered very cheap, considering how time consuming they can actually become. But again, not every backlink or every citation is created equally. They're all varied in how valuable they actually are and powerful and influential they are in ranking your site, but it goes a long way. And so those citations are going to help you rank up here, and then also reviews. I mean, see, these guys don't really have much reviews, so again, it's going to be very, very, fairly quick to actually rank up organically. And then also pictures you got to have. Obviously, these guys don't have much pictures, but so this is a great sign. That's why I'm calling guys in your business and your niche. It's an opportunity I could very quickly and confidently bring results to clients. So this tool, whitespark.ca, is going to show you how many guys your competitors actually have. So Orange County Plastering, S&J Plastering, see that they got 22, you guys have 8. So I like to do is just double the top competitor. We're ahead of them that much. We're ahead of them on content. We have all the relevant keywords. We got the meta tags. We got the links. And Google is having relevant links pointing to us. Another thing on backlinks, very, very quick, or referring domains, you want relevant websites. That's what's going to help you really grow. So as you can see, there's not too many relevant sites here. They don't really have much anyways. But that's what I would do because we're going to do this the right way. And that's another reason why they're actually ranked right here at number 3. You see that, and not up here above Yelp. You see, Google actually prioritizes local business over national business. So whenever there's Yelp here, in a when in a marketer's perspective, at least one who knows what he's doing, it's you know it's a great opportunity. You could just see it, and because again, it shows that nobody's necessarily doing the right things to rank. They're kind of just getting lucky. But yeah. So we went over content. We want relevant content on your site. Okay, we're gonna need to save the pictures as meta tags. I mean, I say get a contact form up here to quickly convert your leads as well. And then we talked about backlinks, relevant websites. Oh, just see. Sorry, don't want to click on that. You guys have a Google ad up. I want to congratulate on that. Google ads are great. There's a few different strategies that you can use to save lots of money. Because Google, when you go filling through there, I don't know if you had someone do it or you did it yourself, but Google loves to spend their customers' money or take it, right? I mean, their whole you don't everybody uses Google, and some people think, oh well, I don't ever have to pay for it. Yeah, you do. I mean, every year they take your data and they sell it, and everything, and there's advertisements that you click on, and that's how they generate their revenue. Anyways, we could save some money for the Google ads. Yeah, love to help you with all those kinds of things. Citations, again, we rank here. So here's the dream, right? We have a Google ad up here. We're ranked on the top 3 here for plastering and stucco, and then we're up here. So we got 3 spots, and we're getting all the leads, right? And again, I'll talk to you a little bit more about my lead gen here for stucco repair. I'll let you go. This has been a long video. Appreciate you watching this if you've gotten this far. Again, so this is a total free attack plan. You can actually use yourself, and if you actually if you want to save yourself some time, and notice that maybe I have some tricks up my sleeve to help you. I love to help you out. Just give me a call. Again, my number is 949-354-7391. That's 949-354-7391. Thank you.